A blessed day, learners. Be ready and prepare yourself as we embark, learn, and enjoy this video. This time we study the learning guide to criminal jurisprudence and procedure, criminal law. Be safe, and God bless you always. This is Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Criminal jurisprudence and procedure is further subdivided into. Ang kriminal na jurisprudence at pamamaraan ay higit na nahahati sa. Criminal law is a study of the Revised Penal Code Book 1, Special Criminal Statutes, Presidential Decrees, and Letters of Instructions. Batas kriminal is a pag-aaral ng binagong Kodigo Penal Aklat 1, mga espesyal na batas sa kriminal, mga dekreto ng Pangulo, at mga liham ng tagubilin. Criminal Law 2, Study of the Revised Penal Code Book 2. Batas kriminal 2, pag-aaral ng binagong Kodigo Penal Aklat 2. Criminal Procedure, Study of the Rules of Court and Criminal Procedure covering the law on arrest, search, and seizure, preliminary investigation, and the granting of bail to an accused person, rights of the accused person during the trial and the manner of prosecution of criminal offenses, procedures in arraignment and trial and discharge of one of several defendants as state witness. Rules governing arrest without warrant and the use of firearms in case of resistance to an arrest, study of court decisions regarding arrest and search and seizure. Pamamaraang kriminal, pag-aaral ng mga panuntunan ng hukuman at pamamaraan ng kriminal na sumasaklaw sa batas sa pag-aresto, paghahanap, at pag-agaw, paunang pagsisiyasat, at ang pagbibigay ng piyansa sa isang taong akusado, mga karapatan ng taong akusado sa panahon ng paglilitis at ang paraan ng pag-uusig ng mga kriminal na pagkakasala. Mga pamamaraan sa arraignment at paglilitis at pagpapaalis sa isa sa ilang mga nasasakdal bilang saksi ng Estado, mga panuntunang namamahala sa pag-aresto ng walang warrant at paggamit ng mga baril kung sakaling lumaban sa pag-aresto, pag-aaral ng mga desisyon ng korte tungkol sa pag-aresto at paghahanap at pag-agaw. Criminal Evidence, Study of the fundamental principle of criminal evidence as embodied in the rules of the court. Katibayan ng kriminal, pag-aaral ng pangunahing prinsipyo ng ebidensyang kriminal na nakapaloob sa mga tuntunin ng hukuman. Civil Law. Batas Sibil. Filed by a private party. Inihain ng isang pribadong partido. A corporation. Isang korporasyon. An individual person. Isang individual na tao. Penalty, a guilty defendant pays the plaintiff for losses caused by their actions. Parusa, binabayaran ng nagkasalang nasasakdal ang nagsasakdal para sa mga pagkalugi na dulot ng kanilang mga aksyon. No incarceration. Walang pagkakakulong. Crimes are divided into dalawang classes. Ang mga krimen ay nahahati sa dalawang klase. Misdemeanor less than 1 year of incarceration. Misdemeanor, wala pang 1 taon ng pagkakakulong. Felony, sentence of 1 year or more. Felony, sentensya ng 1 taon o higit pa. During the times of the Romans, a criminal chargement presenting the case before the public. Both the person accused of the crime and the accuser would give speeches based on their side of the story. The individual with the best argumentation would determine the outcome of the case. Noong panahon ng mga Romano, ang isang kasong kriminal ay nangangahulugan na iharap ang kaso sa publiko. Parehong ang taong akusado sa krimen at ang nag-akusa ay magbibigay ng mga talumpati batay sa kanilang panig ng kwento. Ang individual na may pinakamahusay na argumentasyon na magpapasya sa kinalabasan ng kaso. Criminal Law. Batas kriminal. Filed by the government. Inihain ng gobyerno. Penalty, a guilty defendant is punished by. Parusa, ang isang nagkasalang nasasakdal ay pinarurusahan ng incarceration in jail or prison. Pagkakulong sa kulungan o bilangguan. Fine paid to the government. Multa na binabayaran sa gobyerno. Execution, death penalty. Execution, parusang kamatayan.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic learning guide to criminology, criminal law and jurisprudence. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumabon YouTube channel.